To change your Apple ID, country, or region to the Philippines, simply follow these steps. First of all you have to do is open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Inside App Store, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, simply tap on the country/region option available there. Once you tap on the country/region, you'll be navigated to the country settings where you can see change country region option available on your screen with the blue highlights. It might take few seconds to load, so tap on it. Now scroll down from the list and select the Philippines country. Now after you tap on the Philippines, all you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions. Simply tap on the agree at the top right corner. After you tap on the agree, you will have to enter Philippines payment details and address. If you don't have any, tap on the none, but you will have to enter the Philippines address. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.